Hello, welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Jyoti Jha and this is our one-stop destination for top trending entertainment stories. South superstar Nagarjuna has finally wrapped shoots for Brahmastra. Now, however, Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor are yet to wrap the shoot. Nagarjuna, after wrapping shoot for the film, took to his Twitter and has left a sweet note for the beautiful couple, calling them stellar performers. Even Alia Bhatt took to Twitter and thanked him for all the wonderful memories that they made on the sets of Brahmastra. Now, ever since actor Dia Mirza got married, one picture from her wedding is going viral on social media. This time, a picture of a priestess doing her wedding rituals caught people's attention, and they have been literally flooding the actress's comment section with praises for her feminism. Now, Bollywood megastars Amitabh Bachchan's granddaughter Navya Naveli Nanda has chosen to join her father's family business than getting into the acting business. In fact, Navya has initiated a social project named Naveli with the intention of empowering women and fighting against gender inequality. In her latest interview to Vogue, Navya revealed that she was inspired by her working grandmother, mother and aunt. And now, of course, people do not keep quiet on social media, and one of the users reacted to this and questioned Navya about her mother Shweta Nanda's work, to which Navya gave a befitting reply stating that the number of work her mom does, and moreover how being a mother and a wife is a full-time job which should not be underestimated. Recently, Bigg Boss 14 contestant Sonali Phogat's house in Haryana was robbed, where the thief stole all the gold jewellery, a revolver and even 10 lakh rupees cash. The robbery happened when Sonali Phogat was in Chandigarh. There was also a CCTV camera installed in the house, but unfortunately the thieves were so smart that they took off the camera as well. Now the investigation is underway to find the culprits. Actor Ranveer Shorey has tested positive for COVID-19. Now, the actor shared this news on his Twitter account and also informed that his symptoms are mild and he is in quarantine now. Ranveer Shorey's Metro Park is currently streaming on Amazon Prime Video. Now, all this while I told you that Bollywood's King Khan, that is Shah Rukh Khan, will make his comeback with the film Pathaan, where he will be playing the role of a raw agent. However, this news was not officially announced by the makers of the film. But guess what? Now they are planning to make an official announcement by sharing a teaser from the film, which also features actor Deepika Padukone and John Abraham in main lead. Police updated on actor Sandeep Nahar's suicide case and confirmed that he died by hanging only and there was no foul play in his suicide attempt. The actor had shared a long suicide note and video blaming his unhappy marriage for his decision to commit suicide. Now, police will also record the statements of Sandeep's wife Kanchan Sharma for the same. Couple Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor are always in news, and this time they were spotted together at the construction site where they are apparently making a new house for themselves. What caught people's attention is the fact that they were accompanied by Ranbir's mother Neetu Kapoor. Now, sources also say that the couple will be residing together in the house in future. Kareena Kapoor Khan's cousin Arman Jain is once again summoned by the NCB in an alleged money laundering case. There are also speculations that Arman has a connection with Shiv Sena leader Pratap Sarnaik's son Bihang, and it is apparently based on a conversation between them that the ED has summoned them both. However, they are yet to appear before the investigating agencies for their personal reasons. Those were the top trending entertainment stories for the day. For more such updates, like, share and subscribe to TV9 News. Thank you so much for watching.